Biotech psychedelics. Today we're going to be talking about an OTC company that is related to psychedelics, and it's a biotech pharmaceutical company. And I know a lot of you guys love this. If you guys want the full details and exactly every single point about this company, check out the link in the description of the video. It contains all the information you need to know about this company. As you guys can see on this page, it's filled with information, and if you want to check out this ton of information, make sure to click the link in the description below, and it tells you why this company has strong results, proven strong leadership, strong results, and can come out on top of the other biotech companies. They go into detail as to the board of directors and the CEO and their profile. You can find all of that in this specific link, and the top reasons why you should consider PharmaTher Holdings. Again, Canadian Stock Exchange, PHRM, and on the United States OTC QB market, PHRF. So they're highly focused on developing novel use formulations and delivery forms of psychedelic pharmaceuticals, such as ketamine. As you guys know already, psychedelics is a huge thing in the market right now. A lot of like Shark Tank or high profile investors are investing into psychedelic companies, and a lot of the time these companies remain in the penny stock market because people don't see the vision yet. You know, I say this all the time. I talk about AITX and HMBL. Even NEO used to be a penny stock before, and it's because people don't see the vision. Once people begin to see the vision, then things will begin to change. NEO used to be a penny stock, like I said, and now it's not. It's, you know, now it's, I'm not sure if it's a large cap, a mid cap company, I would say. But they're not a penny stock anymore. Why? Because people are beginning to see the vision. Now, do you think that a lot of people wanted to get in or were skeptical about NEO at first? Probably. That's why a lot of the time people don't invest into penny stocks. However, there are potential chances that penny stocks could be huge runners. Again, this is not financial advice, but I am just telling you why penny stocks are potentially penny stocks and why you have to also be careful and do your own due diligence. As for your own due diligence, again, you have this article that could be a lot of help for you guys, because I know that not a lot of people have the time to actually look through a bunch of information. So that's what we're doing here by providing you guys with the information necessary to evaluate a company. Obviously, there's a lot more information out there that could potentially be useful for you. So make sure, again, you do your own due diligence. But here you have a list of 9 things that would give you insight as to why this company may stand out more than the other ones. Besides this, you also have upcoming milestones that you might want to check out to see if they meet their milestones, or if there's delays, FDA approvals, etc. As you guys know, biotechs are very, very important to have their milestones met and their FDA approvals, and they recently just submitted an application, which we will go into later in the video. So as of right now, there is no known cure for ALS. Affects about 50,000 people in the US and Europe, with over 5,000 new cases diagnosed annually. 50,000 people in the US and Europe, obviously that is not the whole world, so just think about it. There's probably a ton of other people that have ALS, so this is just a factor of the people. So if PHRM does happen to find a cure or a potential medication for this disease, it could be a huge breakthrough. But as of right now, we don't know, and that is why we have to pay attention to the news that comes out, and all of that you can find here for potential milestones. They're also changing the way how psychedelics are delivered through a microneedle patch, as you can see here. If you want to go a little more in depth, again, make sure you press the link below. As you guys may know, Parkinson's is a huge disease within our world today. And if you guys don't know, it is the disease that constantly causes elderlies to have a shaky hand. This company is trying to target that and solve that problem. So Parkinson's symptoms usually begin gradually and get worse over time. As you may know, a lot of young adults or children do not have it. This is usually a disease that comes with age because our body tends to shut down. Either our organs or whatever stop functioning, or they begin to slow down. Men actually get this 50% more often than women, And again, age is the highest risk factor. The older you are, the more prone you are to get to this disease. So which company is this? It's PHRRF, as you can see over here. It is on the OTC markets in the USA. And if you are in the Canadian Stock Exchange, it is there as well under the ticker PHRM. It's a psychedelic pharmaceutical, and they're here to make a change for the Parkinson's disease. With OTC companies, you do want to see progress and you want to see updates. So if you go to their websites, which is this website above, or you could check out the link in our description, because that place will give you all the information you need to know. Again, none of this is financial advice to buy, sell, or hold the stock. This is just an educational video to tell you guys and bring attention to this specific company, as well as what they're trying to do. So with OTC companies, you want them to constantly update you guys. As you can see here, they announced successful completion of a meeting with the FDA for the clinical development of ketamine and the treatment of the Parkinson's disease. Well, actually, all pharmaceuticals and biotechs have to get approval from the FDA for a ton of stuff. So it is great that they had a successful meeting with the FDA, and they also provide an update. So this was posted on February 4th, 2021. And their next article says that they announced the submission of the application with the FDA for phase 2. So they're in phase 2 clinical trials evaluating ketamine in the treatment of the Parkinson's disease. If you want to learn more about it, feel free to come to their website. Besides news and updates, you also want to make sure that they have a strong team. So if you come to the website and you go to their company board of directors, as you can see, they have a team that have experience in life sciences and pharmaceuticals. The CEO had 15 years of experience with specialty life sciences. He was the former president of the Revive Therapeutics and also the founder between 2012 and 2019. Here we have Dr. Beverly J. Ickleden, I guess. I hope I said that right. He's the executive vice president of Ironshore Pharmaceuticals and Development. So we have a strong team here, all with experience within this specific field. So in terms of technicals, we could also look at their chart. As you guys know, OTC have huge swings up and down. They're very volatile, so you have to be careful with that. Again, not financial advice. You could do whatever you want, invest into whatever company you want, and it's solely up to you. Make sure you do your own due diligence. But we see that they had a high of 24 cents as well as 26 cents recently. And it's currently trading at 15 cents right here. So with OTC stocks, you got to make sure that you're doing your research. And if you want more research, there is a link again in the description below that tells you exactly everything you need to know about the company. So click that link below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.